The old rubber on this drive pulley is completely rotted out. So I'm going to take my knife and cut a groove in it, and then with a screwdriver wedge that groove open. Till I can get in there, get on that old section here. Now with that open a little bit, I'm going to grab a pliers and a side cutters here. Something that I can grip on that with. Clean the rest of this off. Alright, with this cleaned off, I cut a piece of this oil cooler hose. It's just from the auto parts store. This happens to be 3/8 inch. It's the right size to slip over this and replace that tire to drive the machine. So I'm going to use a hair dryer to warm and soften this hose, and a little bit of dish soap to lubricate it to pop it on there. There we go. This drive tire is refurbished with some radiator hose or oil cooler hose. This has to be done. These 120s, this tire with the winding spindle on it is not available anymore. You can also do this with the white 5767 Kenmore tire, but those are available for like $8, so it's no big deal to replace those with a new one. But yeah, some of these other odd drive tires from vintage machines, you have to do this radiator hose trick.